Alright, so on this project where we are building these cubes and drawing them, what we first need to do is pick up some of these cubes out of the bucket up here, or container, and we need to build the shape. Here is a picture of the different shapes. We have this 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to give you an example of number 1 here. We will then have 4 more to do. So you have a total of 8 different shapes that you're going to do. Let's go ahead and get started with the first one. You're going to need some cubes, a pencil, and a straight edge. The straight edges can be found up here in the cabinet in the top middle drawer. The pencils, you got to come and get them from me. So let's build this first shape. Now on your sketch paper you have 2 different grids. You have the isometric grid, and then you have the square grid, or the Cartesian grid. Anyway, for your Cartesian coordinates. Excuse me. First, what we're going to do is we're going to do the isometric, and it is shown on this side right here with the angled grid. We already have it built. We can use that to help us with drawing it. I'm going to start right here in this corner. Each one of these spaces excuse me, is equal to 1/4 inch, and so you'll have 3/4. Hence, it's what the size of this cube is, or each one of these little cubes, they are 3/4 of an inch in size. So I'm going to draw this first line, or lay it out anyway. What I usually do is go through and kind of plot some points before I actually use my straight edge and draw them. This is up 3 spaces, so this also will be up 3 spaces. This here is back 3 spaces, so I'm going to lay that out 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Now the reason I'm going back is because in the view, this is your front view. This here is the right side view, and then your top view. I'm going up 3 there. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go across the front. This is across, and then back. Let's go up 6, because this is 2 cubes, so that'd be 6 different spaces. So I'm going to stop right now. I'm going to connect some of my dots before I get too far ahead, and you'll start seeing this thing take shape. And if you'll notice, I'm just pointing to the lines that I'm getting ready to draw so that you can see them. Sorry about got off the screen there, didn't I? this line here. Okay, now I need to plot some more dots. Okay, so I left off right up here in this top part of this column here. So let's go ahead and finish it off. Because actually this point here is this line right here that I'm going to need to plot. Or draw, however you want to call it. So let's go ahead and finish off that side. So now you start seeing this thing take place. So I'm going to come back down here and I need to go ahead and finish off this face, and then I can finish off this surface right in through here. So I come up 3. And then this line here is actually going to go 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 all the way back here, which just happens to be this same corner. But it is not actually the same corner. I'm sorry. It's just kind of hidden back there, kind of like that right there. It's kind of hidden. So I do need to find that point, because that's my point where this other column comes up. So I'm going to go ahead and plot the points for this corner there. And I'm going to count back 1, 2, 3 for that corner. I want to count over. I'm going over now. 1, 2, 3. And let's finish off the top of this with this corner right here where these two match. 1, 2, 3 right there. So I'm almost done with this. I got one more line to do here. And I am done with that isometric view. Now I'm going to start another video that will be separate, that will show what you do on the back side, where we're going to actually do the multi-view, the orthographic projection of the front, the top, and the right side, which would be your front, your top, and your right side. It'll be the next video.